Well, hello. Welcome to day 12 of a 14-day quarantine during a pandemic. Don't I look pretty? Yes, it's Jana Eats, gluten and dairy-free. Why get dressed? Why put on makeup? Why comb my hair? Why? I should have done it for you. Oh well. So we're gonna do a smoothie today, and I was gonna make cauliflower bread and my oven blew up. So I had this cooked cauliflower and then I took the stems and I froze them. I always have frozen bananas, and I thought I'd show you that I just peel them and cube them into pretty manageable size pieces, and then these are all frozen, and I'm going to put them in a bag. But I wanted to make a little smoothie this morning, so maybe that would pep me up on my quarantine extravaganza, just like you guys at home. So I have a bunch of tahini. Believe me, people, I got a buttload of tahini. I'm into tahini, but I went a little tahini crazy, so we're going to put that in there too. So I thought dates, banana, tahini, and I had the cauliflower. So let's do this together. 2 pitted dates. Okay, let's talk nut milk. This is 3 Trees. They have pistachio milk, they have walnut milk, they've got almond milk, but this black sesame milk I eat on Rice Krispies with this and a banana is so darn good. So I just had a little bit of the black sesame milk left, so it's maybe a quarter cup, and because tahini is ground sesame seeds, I just thought I'd use it up. And then I always have this in the fridge, so I'm gonna put, where's the measuring cup? The measuring, there it is. So we'll make sure this equals a cup. In the blender, I'm going to put in, I've got this organic tahini, and let's put in, again, good fats in this. This will rev me up. This will get me out of my pajamas. Now, you know what I'm gonna say. Don't leave that spoon in the blender. That's something I do. And if you want to see me do it, go to the blooper YouTube where I blow up a blender. In fact, this thing's new because I had to buy a new one. Anyway, so, and then let's put, I hope this blob is manageable. These stems, because why not use them up? Ooh. I don't know, I might. Here, we'll put in 2 pieces of banana. I'm gonna put in a little handful of cauliflower. That never hurt anything. I hope this isn't, you know what, I'm gonna cut this up. Well, let's err on the side of caution since I like to break things. There we go. Okay, that makes me feel better. So we'll just put these are just the stems, right? Good idea. Take out the spoon, right? Wash your hands. I can't tell you, I've got the cleanest hands known to man. I always kind of did because I cook for a living, but this is truly a whole new level. Okay, let's see how this tastes. I'm gonna make Kyle try it. Right, Kyle? Oh, you know what? I had an epiphany. Let's put a little bit of cinnamon in it. I like cinnamon. Cinnamon's good for your blood sugar. Okay. So, oh, it's got a smoothie button. Let's do it. I also had another great idea. Hold on. I'm going to put collagen peptides in here too because I'm not doing my bulletproof coffee this morning. And I might as well put some collagen in here, which is really good protein and really good for me. I think this could use a little bit more milk now that I look at it. There we go. Let's see what happens. I hope it tastes good. I'm gonna give that to Kyle, and we don't drink after each other because it's quarantine fever. Wow. Da-da. This smoothie is worth getting out of bed for. It's worth combing your hair for. And it's worth putting on a little lipstick and clothes. Get out of those PJs. Take a bath. Comb your hair and eat something scrumptious. Oh my God. Quarantine's the best. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. This is Jana Eats, the gluten and dairy-free cooking channel. Please subscribe, like, and comment. I really appreciate it. And go make yourself something nutritious and delicious. See you next time. Thanks for tuning in.